Don't you wish data loggers could be easier to use, with no struggling to install and set up the configuration software? In fact, with no software to install at all. At EasyLog, we're constantly thinking about how we can make data logging easier for you. Introducing the EasyLog EL-SIE range, a new generation of USB data loggers that are elegant and simple to use, but still give you the powerful features you need. Advanced onboard software means there's nothing to install on your PC or Mac. Simply connect the logger with a USB cable and use your web browser to configure the device and view, analyze and download your data. You don't even need internet access. It really couldn't be easier. The EL-SIE range includes models that measure combinations of ambient temperature, humidity and pressure. High accuracy versions are also available. And if you need to share your data or ensure it's safely stored, you can upload it directly to the EasyLog cloud, making your data available anywhere from any internet-connected computer or mobile device. Monitor the environment you live and work in with the EL-SIE. The EasyLog EL-SIE data logging has evolved.